Hindi naman porke single, walang nagkakagusto. Diba? Kala kasi nila, porke single ka, walang nagkakagusto sa'yo, walang nagpaparamdam sa'yo. You just refuse to settle for less. Ang nangyayari sa iba, dahil nga nagmamadali sila, pinipressure sila ng iba to go to the next season, kahit alam nila na hindi pa nila na-enjoy at na-maximize the season that they are in, tumatalon sila sa next season, nagka-jowa sila, toxic yung relationship. Pero ang minsan nakakalungkot, tinotolerate mo yung toxic relationship kasi natatakot kang maging lonely. You can be single and secure. You can be single and not alone. Singleness is not a disease and marriage is not a cure. Nasasabi mo lang yung pastor, yung mga single and secure kasi may asawa ka na. Pag ikaw nawawala ka na sa kalendaryo, bingo card na lang ang pag-asa mo. Sorry. Pag nasa kalagayan kita, may gown ka na, wala ka pang jowa. Nauna pa yung gown kaya sa jowa, no? Pag nasa kalagayan kita, pastor, hindi madaling sabihin yung single and secure, hindi madaling sabihin yung maging content ka. Now listen to me. Pag sinabi nating be content in the season that you are in, pag sinabi kong be secure in the season that you are in, hindi ko tinatanggal sa inyo yung pangarap nyo makahanap ng para sa inyo. Ang akin lang sinasabi, kung nasaan ka ngayon, maging secure ka at dapat surrendered ka sa will ng Panginoon. Yun lang. And don't be wishing you were someplace else or with someone else. Where you are right now is God's place for you. Live and obey and love and believe right there.